And of the sun.
Masons, man. These are Masons. Same shit. Same thing.
And of the Holy Spirit.
No different than these Freemasonry armbands, these Masons. Yourself are sworn in with them. Foolishness, and then we're waking up. You call the shot the brother down.
They call the police on their own people.
What they do.
They call the police on their own people. These people are informants. They are CIA agents. They are FBI. They are what you call the Cointelpro. Cointelpro has been out since even before the Black Panthers. Okay, this is a program, a hidden government program that is there to infiltrate and break down Black people. You know, the children of God. Mix them up with people to have them under authority of grooves of others, etc. This is the nonsense. They want us to do the things that our God don't want us to do. They want us to be destroyed and dismantled. Get out of Iuic and get out of any other alphabet camp you may be in.